Good morning. This vehicle has come with a failure of gas leakage. Vehicle is about 5 years old, and when the vehicle was brought there was absolutely no gas into the system. Now we are basically doing a nitrogen leak test to find out the areas of leakage. Now as you can see, we are charging nitrogen to suction port via gauge manifold, and we will put around 300 to 350 ps of gas of nitrogen for doing the leak test. Now after charging nitrogen, if the discharge gauge starts dropping down, it's a clear indication that there is a leak somewhere in the system. Now all the external parts of the vehicle, like the condenser from the external condition, all the joints of the pipe and the compressor can be checked externally. There is one component which cannot be checked, is the evaporator, which is right in the center of the dashboard. Now this vehicle is approximately 5 years old. It's a TATA Nexon, and Goa being a typically humid and area, the life of cooling coil is generally 4 to 5 years. Now as you can see, we have charged 310 psi of gas of nitrogen, which is just used for finding out the leak test. We will recheck the position after 5 or 6 minutes. If there is a drop, then the process of identifying the leak will start. Externally there appears to be no leakage, as the condenser is clean, all the hose pipes are free of oil. There is no apparent leak on the compressor because compressor also appears to be clean. The only portion that remains to be checked is the evaporator assembly. We'll get back to you in 5 to 7 minutes time. If you can see that the nitrogen has dropped from 310 psi to 300 psi in less than a minute. Now apparently this is a very distinct leakage which is happening through the evaporator core. If you observe, keep your ears very close to the dashboard grill, you can hear a very faint sound of the nitrogen leakage. ये काढ़ा लग जाता है. Firstly, all the panels, plastic panels are removed, giving an access to the main cross beam which is supporting the dashboard. Piece by piece, the entire dashboard will be stripped off. All the covers of the steering, all the covers of the side light assemblies, headlamp assembly will be removed. There are special tools for removing these plastic covers without damaging the covers. थांब थांब जरा.
कपड़ा रोल
काय पाहिजे? इकडे ये. Nitrogen is charged again for 370 psi to check. And this is refitting with the cross members all refitted back. Vehicle is ready. Now we will be adding oil to compensate for the oil loss which has gone through the cooling coil. Oil is added by doing vacuuming on one side and leaving the suction port open. You can see that the oil has been sucked into the system. It will be reconnected again to the manifold to remove the air or moisture what has gone into the system. The last job that is left is to do gas filling, and the vehicle is ready for delivery. When the AC starts, suction goes to 40, discharge should go to 220. Now still second can needs to be added. Discharge is right now at 150, which just shows that compressor has started working. The gas can is punctured. Now the suction port has to be opened for entry of the gas. As you can see, the discharge is slowly increasing from 160 to 200. Ideal pressure should be at 220 discharge and 40 psi suction. आ रहा है ठंडा. सेट करेगा बाद में. जैसे बैटरी निकाला था ना, तो पूरा डिट्यून हो रहेगा. लाइट बोर्ड has been fully refitted and vehicle can be delivered to the customer.